My greatest achievement, so far I have two. I can't tell them apart. The first one is to be like a part of the ROTC. Honestly, yes. It's one of my biggest achievements because I never expected before to be part of it. As in, I never planned to be part of it. And beyond that, I never planned to be an officer. Besides that, I also find being part of CADS as a big achievement. I've been wanting to be part of it since I was in grade school or high school. And yes, it's an honor to be dancing with them, and it's an honor to share what I can do to others who once had a dream that I had. I'm active in 3 orgs. First would be CADS as a street performer. And then I'm active then in the ROTC as an officer. And other than that, I'm also a representative in the Ateneo Placement Office. There. Greatest fear? I hate flying EPs. I swear, sobrang sisigaw ako. No. I am Mary Mbong, blue-blooded since April 1992.
And baby, I stayed with you so long that I lost myself. Now who would have thought someone so independent become so damn submissive? And sometimes in the back of my mind I'll be missing you. But I can get through this, 'cause I can do better, so much better.